Okay, so I'm going to walk through the process to create an account um, where you can purchase your Kippaha County yearbook for the 2018-2019 school year. And then also I will kind of show you where the custom pages will be located at if you so choose to use them. So I guess we'll get into logging in or signing up. If you already have a TreeRing account, say you've purchased yearbooks in the past, you will just click the login, enter your login information. If you need to get a reminder or remember your password or whatever, there's stuff for you to do that. However, if you don't have an account, that's what I'm going to walk through right now with the sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up. Then we're going to wait for it to load while it gets me in. Now, you are going to click on I am a student or a parent and sign up there. Do not sign up as a school. We have a number that is registered with our school so that you can get our school's yearbook. So we're going to click sign me up. Then we're going to enter the passcode. Now, we will be sending out this passcode on papers with the students, and it will should be posted on Facebook and the school's website. So if you need to get a yearbook but you don't have that paper, check those locations and we will be sure to have it. I'm also going to type it in here, so if you're following along, you can type it in here. So 1, 4, 3, 7, 7, 4, 9, 3, 2016. Alright, so then you will press confirm and give you a check mark. Then you can put in your information. Now, I already have an account, so I'm going to be creating an account for my mom. So I'm going to type in, whoops, here we go. So you're going to type in your first name, your last name, your email. You're going to create a password. So let's see. Alright, now I don't know if it has to be a certain length or not, but if it does show that it needs to be a certain length, we can always go back and change it. So then you're going to click your role. So I'm going to be doing this for my mom, so obviously she's my parent. So you'll click there, you'll press get started. Then they're going to ask you this, and they just want to make sure that you're not like younger than 13 and trying to do stuff without your parents' permission. You can get an account created. If you're under 13, we just have to run through some stuff on the staff editor side. So just make sure you are over 13 and you click the right button. So we're going to go yes. Then it's going to load in here. I'm not going to save that. You're not going to add a new kid. However, it wants me to. So I guess we'll just put me in here. And we'll just do next. Now it's going to show up with the school name, so you'll just click the school name. Then you're going to say what grade your student is in if you're in the parent. You'll just do that. Seeing as how Kippaha does not have any homeroom teachers. Then you can do this information. So this is just showing what my information would be as my mom's child. So we'll just click next here. Alright, so here it's going to show you you can purchase your yearbook and then you can create your custom pages. Now you do not have to create custom pages. That is totally optional, but you do get 2 free pages, so it'll be a spread. of the yearbook. In the yearbook that you can design, you can add your own little touches. So, like when I've ordered mine in the past, I like to add some pictures from the past year that didn't make it into the yearbook itself, but that I wanted to be able to include and embrace some memories for the years to come. So here you can go through. This is how you pre-order the yearbook. I'm not going to finalize because at this current time that I'm making this video, the yearbook has not been set that I know of. It should be soon, so by the time this gets out, you should be good to go. So we're not doing a hardcover upgrade just to keep it cheaper because that hardcover does cost a little bit more. So this is the current price. Then you would click checkout. It would show you where you could place your order and all that stuff. Now, I am not going to enter my mom's information in here, like credit card information, because with the video recording stuff, it would show that on the video, and I don't want to release that information for privacy issues. But this is where you would enter your card number, so all your credit card information. Then you would place order, and it would just go through there. Now, once that goes through, you will, what you can see here is you have the book there, and you can go through and edit for this current year, so the 2018-2019 book. There is also something where if you maybe missed buying a previous yearbook all the way back to the 2015-2016 year, you can go back and add one of those yearbooks to your cart as well. I don't know if you can add the custom pages at that time. We've never experimented with that in our yearbook class, but you could go through and do that. So if you choose to add the custom pages, you can follow along here where I'm going to go. If not, don't worry, you don't have to follow along. So you just click custom pages, and it would take you into the area. When you are completely done editing your pages, you would click this over and say that. However, I am not ready, obviously, so I'm just going to cancel this real quick. But that is how you create an account, where you would go for your purchasing, and then where you can find your custom pages at if you so choose to use them. Thank you. Have a great day, and I really hope you got something out of this.